Hello everyone, and welcome to our journey through the 10 best BIMQ features. Today we want to show you how you can import and export Excel files. If you want to add information to the project quickly, you can use the extensive Excel interface in BIMQ. You can easily export the Excel file and enter the necessary information. For example, you can add more actors to the project. Type in the information you want to add to the project. Save the Excel file and import it back into BIMQ. As you can see, the import was successful, and the 2 actors were added to the project. By the way, there are more functions where you can use the Excel interface. You can use it for project requirements, templates, the project setup, and for documentation. You want to create new property sets? No problem. The Excel interface can be used here too. You can use the export settings to specify how the Excel file has to be exported. In the mapping section, you can choose the software and the IFC version that are used in the project. Now you get a detailed file with all the properties that you can easily rework, or you can create new ones. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.